Once your hearing aids are paired to your Apple device, they will automatically be set up to stream, which means you can answer phone calls or listen to music, or any other media can be played directly into your hearing aids. If you do not want this feature, it can be easily turned off by following these steps. On your device, go to Settings, scroll to Accessibility, down to Hearing, click on Hearing Devices. This section here, play ringtones. You can either slide off, which is gray, or on, which is green. Play system sounds. So that's letting you know the beeps and the different notifications on your phone will go directly into your hearing aids, and you can choose if you want them on or off. Or auto routing. Here for your phone calls, it's set up automatic. You can click on there and you can pick never hearing devices if you do not want your hearing aids to have the call directly streamed to them. Go to media audio. It's also automatically set up. You can click never hearing devices. This will not have videos or music or things stream directly into your hearing aids.